Hey everyone! If you're tuning in today, chances are you're as excited about adventures as I am. And what's more adventurous than tackling the legendary Inca Trail in Peru? So, let's dive straight into the essential tips and tricks that will help you master this epic journey. First things first, let's talk preparation. You can't just show up at the Inca Trail and expect to wing it. This trek demands fitness. Start by integrating cardio and strength training into your routine months before your trip. Think running, hiking, and lots of stairs. Trust me, your legs will thank you when you're climbing those endless Inca steps. Now, gear up. The right equipment is your best friend on the Inca Trail. Invest in a good pair of hiking boots and break them in well before the hike. Also, layering is key. The weather can swing from scorching sun to chilling rains in a heartbeat. Pack moisture-wicking clothes, a rain jacket, and a warm layer for those cold Andean nights. When you're on the trail, hydration is your golden rule. The altitude can really get to you, and staying hydrated will help combat altitude sickness. Also, pack some snacks high in energy. Think nuts, energy bars, and maybe some chocolate for that quick glucose boost. Next up, respect the trail and its history. The Inca Trail isn't just a path, it's a walk through ancient history. Hire a knowledgeable guide to enrich your journey with stories of the past. And remember, leave no trace. Keep the trail as pristine as you found it. Finally, take your time. Yes, it's exciting to push forward, but this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Stop often, breathe in the mountain air, and take in the views. Capture pictures, but also capture moments in your heart. The journey to Machu Picchu isn't just about reaching the top. It's about everything you see and feel on the way there. So, are you ready to conquer the Inca Trail? Lace up those boots, pack your spirit of adventure, and remember, it's not just about the destination. It's all about the journey. Safe travels, adventurers.